We are not interested in listening to Mr. Amit Shah's imagination. We are not interested in him giving us a lecture or a discussion. Amit Shah has no courage. The Home Minister of India has no courage. He cannot come to the house. If he did, he should resign because he's culpable. And if he did not, he should resign because he's incompetent.
Amit Shah, so-called Chanakya, और क्या कहते थे? Sardar Patel, Garipal. Where has he disappeared? They've been behaving like cowards against this cowardly force. Fighting a bunch of jokers, how can you feel scared?
Viewers, good evening. What we are witnessing today, or rather what you just witnessed, is a little beyond politics. I'll explain how. This is, what do I say, a shameful fall in public life. First came the Bandar stunt outside Parliament. Congress leaders led by Pawan Kheda held toy monkeys, as you can see in these pictures, and chanted 56 inch ka chota bandar, jaldi aao sadan ke andar. This was their idea of protest. This was their level of debate and discourse, turning the Prime Minister's image into a monkey joke. And then Rahul Gandhi took the stage. He targeted Home Minister Amit Shah. He said, "Bhag gaya." He called him Tadi Par. He said the so-called Chanakya ran away and could not enter Parliament for days. And then he turned on the RSS. He called them a bunch of jokers, a bunch of clowns, people who have no idea about India's history or philosophy. And then came the moment, viewers, that left everyone shocked. Rahul Gandhi and Sandeep Dixit performed a mini skit to mock PM Modi's diplomacy. That's the visual. Rahul Gandhi hugged Dixit, as you can see, and Dixit said, "I hope you're not holding me thinking of Melanie." Rahul laughed and replied, "I haven't reached there." Viewers, this is the language coming from the leader of opposition, who, by the way, talks of muhabbat and civility. He says, "My brand of politics is different from the BJP's." He sets these high standards for himself. But look at the actions, the words, look at the stunts, viewers. Monkey slogans, personal insults, cheap skits. This is, at the very least, betrayal of the very values Rahul Gandhi claims to stand for. Debate and discourse have taken a hit, and what we are getting instead is toy monkeys and melodrama. And viewers, those who call him a Jan Nayak, super cool PM to be, must rethink. Rahul Gandhi has once again chosen ridicule over responsibility. Listen to what Pawan Kheda did and what Rahul Gandhi has said.
छप्पन इंच का छोटा बंदर, 56 इंच का छोटा बंदर, 56 इंच का छोटा बंदर।
एक चीज पूछ सकता हूँ? हाँ। मेलनी समझ के तो नहीं पकड़ा था?
I have not reached there yet.
I haven't reached there yet. Talking about Georgia Melanie. And let's open this up. RP Singh, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Vivek Silas, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. The other Vivek Srivastav ji. Dr. Piyush Joshi, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Shyama Prasad Mehta, leader of the Congress Party. Mr. Saravanan will be with us shortly. And Tushar Gupta completes this panel. Mr. Mehta, the first question that comes to my mind is, there comes Mr. Saravanan. Mr. Mehta, the first question that I want to ask you is, Rahul should have at least spared someone from Italy.
The first question that should have come to your mind is, why the Home Minister is so adamant and he didn't care to come to the house and explain his position about who gave the orders. But that should have been the first question.
Mr. Meka,
But what to
it should
do?
have been the first question till the time the Home Minister did not answer that question. He said, I am ready to take all questions. Come, let's have a debate.
Where?
But tell me, Mr. Meka, even if what you are saying should be the first question that I should have asked you,
Did he even-
did Rahul Gandhi mention that question? What has Melanie got to do with this? What has Melanie got to do with Parliament? Tell me.
I am not going to respond on something that you are putting in the mouth.
No,
of
because
Rahul.
there is no response. What will you respond? How will you respond?
I'm not going to respond.
And this is the reason why, you know, Congress allies are uncomfortable to be seen with Rahul Gandhi. This is why the DMK has a problem with Congress party. Mr. Sarvanan will tell us more. Mr. Sarvanan, the debate and discourse is about parliament, disruption, about, you know, holding the government accountable. It is about making sure that the Home Minister answers questions. Look what Rahul Gandhi is doing. Pawan Kheda says 56-inch ka bandar, 56-inch monkey. And Rahul Gandhi says this Melanie, whatever it is.
Yeah. See, Pranesh, the Congress party is rattled by this Gen Z protest. They think that this Gen Z, this CJP has stolen their thunder. That is the whole problem. Now they think they want to appeal themselves to this Gen Z crowd. I think that is why they are resorting to these kind of antics. This is not the first time Mr. Rahul Gandhi is doing this. I remember he calling somebody as a traitor when he was just walking, another MP. And now what Mr. Rahul Gandhi has done to DMK, he is more traitorous than anybody. And what on earth, how on earth can Mr. Rahul Gandhi call someone from who has gone through his party on his face, embarrass him by calling him a traitor? Then what is Mr. Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party to DMK? And what are they doing in the state of Tamil Nadu? In the state of Tamil Nadu, for them, horse trading is good. Horse trading is to ensure that the government remains stable. It is a handy tool. It is a tool that should be carried forward in a democracy. But when it comes to Madhya Pradesh, BJP is dethroning democracy. BJP is destroying democracy. Why are they not able to apply the same yardstick to the TVK government here? And this is why Mr. Rahul Gandhi is not taken seriously.
I told you, Mr. Meka. Now Mr. Sarvanan is saying what I warned you about. This is the reason why Rahul Gandhi is not taken seriously. Respond to what you heard.
Mr. Sarvanan almost speaking like a BJP spokesperson. That's fine. That's his choice. The point is, why should I respond to that? You say Rahul Gandhi is not taken seriously. Then you go over the rooftops and shout at some little comment.
Some little comment. This is some little comment. This is your ex-ally and very much part of the India alliance. Now you can, no, 1 minute, sir. You can dismiss what the anchor is saying. But Mr. Sarvanan is not from the BJP. DMK is still part of India alliance. You'll have to answer that question. You can't run away like this.
No, we have answered that question multiple times. I don't think in a...
Well, what is the answer? What has Georgia Melanie got to do with Parliament? Tell me.
Tamil Nadu politics and then...
This is not about Tamil Nadu politics. He is talking about the larger principle that Rahul Gandhi says something, does something else. That is what he means. That he does not walk the talk. He talks of Mohabbat and then resorts to this language. How will you blame the BJP if you use the language that you accuse the BJP of indulging in? That is the point that Mr. Sarvanan is making. Vivek Srivastava, what has Georgia Melanie got to do with Parliament, sir?
What has Melody got to do with India? What has Melody, the toffee, got to do with India?
And see, I mean,
That was not an insult.
that is I mean, okay, this is also not an insult.
This is not an insult.
This is just a satire. I mean, आप जो है 100 साल के पहले की जनरेशन की तरह बिहेव कर रहे हैं प्रणेश, आप तो यंगस्टर हैं
सर, आप तो रिजर्वेशन डिबेट में बोलते हैं कि नहीं 100 साल का हिसाब देना पड़ेगा, अब आप यहाँ कुछ और बोल रहे हैं, वहां मत जाइए, मैं आप फंस जाएंगे। आप इस पे बोलिए, व्हाट हैज जॉर्जिया मेलोनी गॉट टू डू विद
जॉर्जिया
पार्लियामेंट?
मेलोनी को कैमरे पे लाके मेलोडी दे करके रील बना करके प्रमोट किसने किया? ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने किया।
यू थिंक
तब आपने नहीं,
जॉर्जिया मेलोनी नीड्स प्रमोशन फ्रॉम? बोलिए।
उसके बाद वो रील्स वायरल हुई, लोगों ने साहब चाहे जेंजी हो या बाकी हो, उन्होंने तरह तरह की बातें बोली, प्राइम मिनिस्टर के बारे में भी और मेलोनी के बारे में भी, सब हंसी मजाक में लिया गया। तब आपने नहीं पूछा कि ये रील क्यों बनाई प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने, मेलोनी साहब के साथ कहीं कोई रिश्ता तो नहीं लोग बोल रहे सटायर में?
नहीं, एक मिनट,
मैं पूछ रहा हूं
आपसे ये पूछ रहा हूं कि इज दिस द वे यू शुड बी? विल यू बी कंफर्टेबल इफ someone in your family or political party talks about another woman who's not on the stage?
It's not about woman. You
Of
should
course
have-
it is.
Sir, it was the reel of the Honorable Prime Minister of India with Meloni eating melody.
No,
was
I want. No,
promoted-
I think
was
you haven't
promoted
heard what.
systematically.
1 minute.
And this is a reaction. And now everybody is crying foul.
एक बार सुन
This is a
लीजिए।
reaction and nothing wrong in it.
Oh, nothing wrong in. Listen to this. Listen to what was said, what transpired. Listen to this. Can we play this out? Sandeep Dixit, Rahul Gandhi, the Melanie joke.
बट इनके माइंड में घुस गया कि फॉरेन पॉलिसी इज दिस। अब पता नहीं किसने डाला, कहां से घुसा कि भाई फॉरेन पॉलिसी का मतलब इमेजिन द इग्नोरेंस फॉरेन पॉलिसी।
एक चीज पूछ सकता हूँ?
हाँ,
मेलनी समझ के तो नहीं पकड़ा था?
कहां से निकला, कहां से घुसा? Imagine the ignorance. What language is this? How is this about? Even if Rahul Gandhi wanted to speak on foreign policy, कहां से घुसा, कहां से निकला, इसका क्या मतलब है? विवेक श्रीवास्तव जी।
भाई राहुल गांधी ने तो फॉरेन पॉलिसी के बारे में बोला कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर जाते हैं, हर नेता से गले मिलते हैं, सोचते हैं हो गई फॉरेन पॉलिसी और कोई देश हमें समर्थन देके राजी नहीं है। लेकिन संदीप दीक्षित ने अचानक एक कटाक्ष किया, ही जस्ट डिड अ सटायर, ही जस्ट क्रैक्ड द
राहुल गांधी सेइंग कहां से घुसा, कहां से निकला, इसका क्या मतलब है?
नहीं, see, what he is talking of is the general foreign policy of this country and संदीप
फॉरेन
दीक्षित।
पॉलिसी में घुसना निकलना।
अरे बाबा गले मिलते हैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर, हर एक से हंसने लग
तो
जाते हैं,
उसमें घुसना
पूरा
निकलना
देश
क्या
देखता
है?
है, पूरा फेसबुक देखता है,
फॉरेन
इंस्टाग्राम
पॉलिसी में
देखता है।
घुसना कहां से घुसा, कहां से इसका?
आप प्राइम मिनिस्टर को समझाइए ना, वो जाते हैं,
राहुल गांधी
किसी
has
देश
said
का
it.
आदमी खड़ा होगा, गले मिलेंगे उसके नेता से,
एक बात बताइए,
हाँ हंसना शुरू
आप-
करेंगे, एक मजाक बन
आप
चुका है
इतना
देश में।
उत्तेजित क्यों है? Why are you getting excited like this?
It's a national joke, sir.
This is a joke.
It has become a national joke now. The
And what
Prime
Rahul
Minister-
Gandhi is doing, you're saying
It's
is
nothing. It's just a reaction to
it's a
what the Prime
discourse
Minister
on
does.
foreign policy.
This is just a reaction. It's
Reaction.
just in a lighter vein.
Lighter
इसको
vein.
इतना ज्यादा उसको मेलोड्रामेटाइज करने की
प्रधानमंत्री
जरूरत
को
नहीं है।
56 इंच का बंदर बोलना।
प्रधानमंत्री बहुत कुछ कहते हैं सर। आज
No,
आप छोड़
let's
दीजिए।
play out what Pawan Kheda was saying. Pawan Kheda, look at those pictures, sir. 56 इंच का बंदर। Opposition कुछ DMK is raising serious issues. The Aam Aadmi Party is raising serious issues. And the Congress Party, in one single stroke, distracts from those issues. And this has become a pattern, Dr. Joshi.
56 इंच का सर प्राइम मिनिस्टर का है।
Thank you, Pranesh. The Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party, I'm maybe sounding like a parrot, but they are grafted from the same DNA. Because I think half of the Bharatiya Janata Party is now Congress or maybe ex-Congress. So I'm not surprised if the Congress is returning the favor to the Bharatiya Janata Party's leadership. But what worries me that this distracts the attention of the whole nation from the more important points. The points that were the protest was all about. That was the matter of an educational reform, and that has taken a back seat. Now just give me 30 more seconds, Pranesh. यदि भारत सरकार ने शिक्षा व्यवस्था वास्तव में सुधार दी होती ना तो प्रोटेस्ट की जरूरत नहीं आती। चलो नहीं सुधार पाए, प्रोटेस्ट करना पड़ा। वांगचुक जी से 20 दिन पहले मिल लेते तो दिक्कत नहीं आती। चलो आप नहीं कर पाए, जब मार्च हुआ फिर आपने फोर्स यूज किया, तो इस वजह से आपको 22 दिन माननीय गृह मंत्री जी को अनुपस्थित रहना पड़ा। अब गृह मंत्री जी बोलते हैं कि मैं तो संसद में आया था पर कक्ष में, अपने कक्ष में बैठा रहता था। तो सर कक्ष में बैठे थे तो बाहर कक्षा तक आ जाते, यदि कक्षा तक आ जाते, बाहर कक्षा लग रही थी, हेडमास्टर साहब इंतजार कर रहे थे, बाकी सारे विद्यार्थी भी इंतजार कर रहे थे, आ जाते आप कक्ष में क्यों बैठे रहे?
एकदम सही सवाल है डॉक्टर जोशी, दीज आर ऑल जेन्युइन क्वेश्चंस, ऑल लेजिटिमेट क्वेश्चंस कि कहां है, सवाल का जवाब दीजिए, लेट क्यों बोले, अभी तक कहां थे। बट 56 इंच का बंदर एंड दिस जोक ऑन मेलनी, और कहां से घुसे कहां से निकले, ये दीज थिंग्स आर नॉट एड्रेसिंग व्हाट यू आर सेइंग। सो यू आर एसेंशियली saying what Mr. Sarvanand said, that the Congress just distracts from the main issues.
Last thing, just yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you, and that's what I've been saying. That by getting engaged in satire, we are distracting the issues. We are distracting the attention.
This is
of
not
the nation
satire.
from the
Please
important
don't.
issues.
Let's not call it satire. Vivek Srivastava's definition of satire needs to change. उनका तो आप छोड़ दीजिए सर, आप please Vivek Srivastava. If this is satire for you, then God. No, then we are China. No. If this is satire, then we are China. Okay. Now, Mr. Mehta, before I bring in the others, would you like to respond to Dr. Joshi? You did not answer Mr. Sarvanand. Would you like to answer Dr. Joshi?
No, what is there to answer? It's a simple joke, and in fact, the foreign policy adopted by the Prime Minister and the results we are seeing, this is all making it a matter of ridicule, and that's why he is getting ridiculed. And just because Pranesh, you go on bonkers saying,
Why
that,
are you
"Oh, Prime
ridiculing?
Minister,"
One
no,
minute,
we
sir.
don't
Why are
treat him
you ridiculing the leader of another country, an Italian woman at that? Why? At least, be nice to the Italian woman.
We did not.
You did not.
We did not.
Okay, let's listen to Pawan Kheda's monkey chant.
56 इंच का छोटा बंदर, 56 इंच का छोटा बंदर, 56 इंच का छोटा बंदर, 56
Okay.
इंच का छोटा बंदर।
Vivek Silas? Yes. what is the context here? 56 इंच का छोटा बंदर, जल्दी आओ.
No, you look, Pranesh, we started the debate by saying you said Rahul Gandhi at least should have left out Italy. And the second question that you asked was what has Meloni has to do with India or Indian Parliament. Let me tell you and remind the viewers and the panelists and you as well, when the chocolate melody was being distributed in Italy, 21 of our students had already committed suicide in India. And this is a very serious matter. Students are committing suicide in India. Prime Minister is distributing chocolates to the Italian Prime Minister and making reels. Can you justify? Can the viewers justify? Can anyone say what he did was right? Not at all. Shameful. Absolutely ridiculous, absolutely absurd.
विवेक साइलस और विवेक श्रीवास्तव एक साथ बैठ के ये कोरस में कर रहे हैं, वो कुछ बोल रहे हैं, उधर वो शेख बोल रहे हैं.
You think we are fools? You
Sir,
think
I don't think.
You think we are cracking a joke here?
No, I don't think.
Am I lying?
I don't think, Mr. Silas.
Next question you asked, 56 inch ka bandar. That is what you said. Okay, fine. Whatever it was, protocol should be followed. But the Bharatiya
प्रोटोकॉल नहीं ऐसे मत निकालिए विवेक साइलस, प्लीज. 56 इंच का बंदर क्या है? किसके बारे में बात हो रही है?
56 इंच कौन है?
सर बोलने दीजिए ना. आप विवेक साइलस से बात और विवेक श्रीवास्तव आप
नहीं बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं प्रणेश
तो
जी.
फिर उन्हीं से मैं पूछता हूं, अगर वो आपकी मन की बात कह रहे हैं तो फिर आप चुप रहिए. मैं उन्हीं से आप बोलिए, जवाब
देख सकता हूं आपने बड़ा अच्छा कलावा भी पहना हुआ है.
उससे दिक्कत है?
नहीं दिक्कत नहीं है. 56 इंच के बंदर की बात हो रही है ना. जब हनुमान जी को बंदर बना के सड़क पे नचाते हैं तब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है ना. नो प्रॉब्लम. यू सी व्हाट हैपेंड इन उत्तराखंड. Malika Arjun Kharge, the chief of Congress party, when he went to Haldwani, when he got down from the stage, please, when he got down from the stage, let me complete. This is a very serious matter. When he got down from the stage was washed with Ganga Jal.
And they said शुद्धिकरण
करेंगे. शुद्धिकरण करेंगे. What was that? Wait. When Akhilesh Yadav ji left the CM house, it was washed by Ganga Jal. When Akhilesh Yadav ji walked out of the temple,
Silas?
it was
Mr.
washed
Silas?
by the Ganga Jal.
Did you hear what? Did
What do you mean to say like that, yeah?
Did you hear what Mr. Nadda said?
What Mr. Nadda is a puppet of Amit Shah and Narendra Modi ji. What will he say? उसने तो ये भी कहा था कि मेरे आरएसएस की जरूरत नहीं है. क्या क्या यही ना कहा था?
आरपी सिंह जी,
उनको तो वही कहा जाता है जो वो बोलते हैं. ये बोल दो, वो बोल देंगे, वो बोल देंगे.
परनेश, थोड़ी आज मुझे दिक्कत हो रही है सुनकर कि किस प्रकार की लैंग्वेज, व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ लैंग्वेज इवन द स्पोक्सपर्सन आर यूजिंग. I'm shocked. I seriously thought Vivek, not the Srivastava, the Silas is a very serious person. He's a very dear friend also from my old school. But this is not the way the debate has to run, and this is not the way the public courts has to run. I mean, it's shocking. You remember Sharmal Sheikh? That was the reason. That was the lowest point in our foreign policy. And it's the Prime Minister who has taken the country to a different level of the foreign policy, where we can go and attack Pakistan and then give them the rebuttal on every attack, any terrorist attack they do. And when 26/11 happened, pooch andar ho gayi thi in sabki. They didn't have guts enough to say that let's attack Pakistan. Although then the Air Force chief was keen to attack, and he went to the Prime Minister saying that let's attack. He said no. This is the difference in the foreign policy. And then Sharmal Sheikh was when he said, oh, Pakistan is a poor country suffering from terrorism. This is the difference in foreign policy. And as for 56 inch ka bandar and all that crap, and let's understand, 56 inch के चलते हुए जब PM साहब बोलते हैं, Prime Minister जब PM Parliament में, तो आप सबके सब बाहर भागते हो. I can quote you debates after debates when Prime Minister is speaking in the Parliament, and you ran away from the debate in the Parliament. This is a new law of the rhetoric in the Parliament. They don't have any substance to come and debate in the Parliament. They don't have any proper quality subjects to discuss in the Parliament. That's why they do this law. I mean, मुझे कहते हुए शर्म आती है. मदारी ये आता है ना, that juggler, मदारी जो बंदर न जाता है.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, शुरुआत की बात इसीलिए नहीं है क्योंकि राहुल गांधी कहते हैं हमारी तो मोहब्बत की राजनीति है.
ये 56 इंच का सीना, 56 इंच, ये क्या है? ये बड़ी सोफिस्टिकेटेड भाषा है.
तुषार, this is satire for Vivek Srivastava. And Mr. Silas says what's wrong in Melanie joke.
No. Can I? No. The satire on Modi and Melanie is exactly like the chauvinism millions of young women in the workforce face today. Only because they interact with their male co-workers. कोई तो ऑफिस में एक बैठा होगा, ऑब्जर्व करता है और फिर वो ऐसा सटायर, ऐसी टिप्पणियां करता है ऑफिस के व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में. दिस इज व्हाट वाज डन इन द कांग्रेस PPT meeting today. Modi and Melanie at the end of the day are co-workers. They represent their respective states. They are head of states. But for the Congress, this is just a satire because अरे देखो एक महिला है, एक पुरुष के साथ काम कर रही है, किसी विषय पे डिस्कशन हो रहा है, चलो उस पर एक जोक क्रैक कर देते हैं. Congress today is the institutional representation of that perverted mindset that cannot see a man and a woman working together for the greater global interest. यहाँ पर पैनल में बहुत लोग बैठे हैं, सब कह रहे हैं जोक है. आपका बेटा या बेटी एक ऑफिस में काम करते होंगे, वहां उसके को-वर्कर्स होंगे, मेल्स होंगे, फीमेल्स होंगे, उनसे वहां इंटरैक्ट करते होंगे, बातचीत होती होगी, टीम मीटिंग्स होती होगी. कोई उनके उस इंटरैक्शन पर एक जोक बना दे, ऐसी भद्दा मजाक करे, आप कहेंगे सटायर है. You'll accept such a joke on your daughter, on your sister, on your mother, on your wife working in any office. You'll accept such a joke being made for your son. You'll accept such a joke being made for you. यहाँ पर काफी लोग उस पार्टी से
let him speak. Vivek Srivastava ji, ऐसे मत कीजिए.
Hold on, Pradesh.
Let him speak.
Pradesh, hold on. I see a couple of parties here which have given this country some brilliant female politicians. Will they accept if Rahul Gandhi cracked the same joke against their female leader? Will Samajwadi Party accept? Will Aam Aadmi Party accept? Will DMK accept? इन सब पार्टियों में एक से बढ़कर एक महिला राजनेता आए हैं, एक से बढ़कर एक, आज भी पार्लियामेंट में बैठते हैं. अगर राहुल गांधी आज उन पर टिप्पणी, ऐसी भद्दी टिप्पणी करते, संदीप दीक्षित करते, उनको ये मंजूर होता? मोदी की नफरत में ये लोग.
No, but Tushar, what are you even expecting from the Samajwadi Party on these issues? Boys will be boys.
What do you mean to say?
ये किसने कहा था?
What do you mean to say?
Sir, यही तो मैं
You
कह रहा हूं
garland the rapist when
ये
they come
मुझे
out.
बताइए ना, boys
What are
will
you
be
saying?
boys किसने कहा था?
You garland the
किसने
rapists
कहा-
in
किसी ने कहा था
Gujarat
ना?
as if they have fought a war and they have got gold
Mr.
medals in
Silas,
Olympic.
boys
You
will be
garland
boys.
the rapists.
किसने कहा था?
You garland the rapists. The
किसने
Bharatiya
कहा
Janata
था?
Party leaders.
मुलायम
Ram
सिंह
Rahim
यादव-
comes out at wish.
मुलायम सिंह
Goes
यादव
inside
said,
at wish.
boys will be
What do you
boys.
mean to say?
So
What
I
do you
have
expect
no
from the
expectation from the Samajwadi
You-
Party
you
as
think
far
we are
as
fools?
women's
We think
safety
we are-
and
we are
dignity
not
is
the
concerned.
citizens of
Sir, आप
India.
बार-बार बोल रहे हैं, you think
You think we are
I'm
not-
fools.
we don't
I
love
don't
the country.
think.
What do you mean to say?
I don't
that?
think, Mr. Silas. That's my answer. Mr. Sarvanan? Yes, you've been wanting to say. Yes, Tushar, make your point. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
finish your point. Yes.
Piyush Joshi here is raising his hand. His party gave Delhi another female chief minister. If the same joke was cracked on that female chief minister, would Piyush Joshi accept it? या जितने पैनल में बोल रहे हैं ना सटायर सिंपल लिटमस टेस्ट है. आज यहाँ बोलिए कि मेरी पार्टी के नेता के खिलाफ, एक महिला नेता के खिलाफ ये टिप्पणी होती, हमें बर्दाश्त होता. मेरी बेटी के खिलाफ, मेरी बीवी के खिलाफ, मेरी बहन के खिलाफ कोई उसकी वर्क प्लेस पे ऐसी टिप्पणी करे, मुझे बर्दाश्त होता. बोलो ना.
अरे तुम्हारा
अभी तुम्हारी हिपोक्रेसी सबके सामने आ जाएगी.
मिस्टर मेटा,
मेरा प्राइम मिनिस्टर
मिस्टर मे-
हेड का एक ही दफ्तर में काम कर रहे हैं.
अगर एक दफ्तर में ये काम कर रहे हैं तो यू विल रिडिक्यूल women like this. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, नहीं, हाउ इज दिस अबाउट वर्किंग इन द सेम ऑफिस?
फॉलो द प्रोटोकॉल.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, विवेक श्रीवास्तव,
The Italian leader, no, he started the joke.
what is
He
the
started
joke?
the joke.
What is the
He
joke?
started his melody business.
So
he
is the-
started
one
making
minute.
the reels.
One minute,
he
sir.
started showing the informality.
Vivek Srivastava,
Question the Prime Minister.
my
Don't
God.
question Rahul Gandhi. Don't question
Save your
Rahul Gandhi.
outrage. Save your outrage for
No,
what
आप
Mr.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर को क्वेश्चन करो
Sir,
ना.
Mr.
वो क्यों इनफॉर्मल हुए?
Save your outrage for what Mr. Sarvanan is now going to say. Yes, Mr. Sarvanan.
Yeah. See, the kind of jokes they're trying to make. See, if there is a failure of the foreign policy, of course, there is a failure, and that is why where we are. But what is your suggestion? You are saying, oh, foreign policy is not theater. But what is your criticism? Your criticism is also pure theater. How is it substantively different from that of Mr. Modi? That is the question. And top it off, this is a misogynistic statement. This is misogyny at plain sight. And this is not just the only place where it is exposed. Look at the Karnataka cabinet. Not a single woman. And the Congress party says, oh, we are fighting for women's reservation. We are wanting 33% reservation. And everybody else are...
No, that's a great point, Mr.
out there.
Sarvanan. Mr. Mehta, answer that. The Congress will have to answer this charge. Anti-women, misogynistic.
See, Congress party is not misogynistic or anti-woman. Or see, why do you bring up all these things? Now, this Vishwaguru has to hide behind the Italian Prime Minister now. He is hiding behind Meloni.
So what is wrong? Even if he is hiding behind a woman, what is wrong? What mindset is that? A man can't hide behind a woman. Is that your problem? You are betraying your, bias, prejudice on national television, Mr. Mehta. India has moved on. Answer this question. Could the Congress party not find one deserving woman for the ministerial berth? That is what Mr. Sarvanan has pointed out.
Okay, Sarvanan will decide the cabinet berths of every state, is it?
Pointing out the lacuna.
What kind of a logic is this?
Mr. Mehta, you have no answers to any question. Just you are here to simply, enjoy the debate. Okay, sir, sit back and relax, sir. We have enough people to, to go to. Vivek Srivastava ji, आप जो बात सुन लीजिए, सवाल सुन लीजिए, ऐसे don't get excited.
बिल्कुल.
Is this the right language to be used against any woman? Rahul Gandhi is talking about foreign policy. You are saying melody was being distributed.
Okay.
Melody देना गलत है क्या?
जी, हक करना गलत है क्या?
हाँ?
If a male colleague and a female colleague
नहीं,
hug,
बिल्कुल
it is
गलत
wrong.
नहीं है.
So why are you giving it a sexist overturn?
Sexist overturn is what was said.
No, it was not.
कि मुझे मेलनी समझते तो नहीं हक कर लिया ना, उसका क्या मतलब है?
एक महिला उसको हक
उसका
किया तो
क्या
उसमें-
मतलब है?
अरे सेक्स आपको
कहां
दिख रहा
से?
है?
नहीं 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 नहीं
संदीप
कहां से?
दीक्षित की भाषा में सेक्स आपको दिख रहा है सर,
सेक्स?
और उनको दिख रहा है तुषार गुप्ता को। आपकी मानसिकता खराब है।
सेक्स
हाँ।
के बारे में किसने बोला?
भाई वो कह रहे हैं ना महिला का ये हो गया वो हो गया, महिला कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है। अरे भाई ये हुआ है कि हमारा प्राइम मिनिस्टर सिर्फ टॉफियां खिला के हक करके हंस करके सोचता है
Okay, what is Rahul Gandhi trying to say when he says यहाँ से घुसा यहाँ से निकला, इसका क्या मतलब है सर? फॉरेन पॉलिसी में यहाँ से घुसा यहाँ से निकला मतलब?
कहां से एंटर करे आप?
कहां से?
हक किया आपने और वहां से निकल गए आप।
कहां से? वो
अरे
निकलेगा,
गेट से और कहां से?
वो तो स्टेज पे ही है।
हाँ, अरे भाई प्राइम मिनिस्टर कहीं तो किसी हॉल में घुसते हैं, घुसे लोगों
तुषार-
को हक किया, लोगों को
तुषार-
टॉफी खिलाई, लोगों के साथ मजाक किया,
तुषार, look at
किया। उसके बाद
Look at the perverted mindset of Vivek Srivastava. He's justifying all the jibes. He's justifying all those annotations. He's a pervert. There is no other way to put this. He's a pervert. He's a pervert who's justifying all the jibes that were made. Why? What kind of foreign policy
Listen to him,
commentary is
sir.
this? What kind of foreign policy commentary is this? And even if Vivek Srivastava thinks this is correct, have
बोलने
him say
दीजिए
on
सर,
record.
बोलने दीजिए, ऐसे मत।
No, विवेक श्रीवास्तव को लगता है ये सही हुआ ना? विवेक श्रीवास्तव बोले कि अगर मेरी पार्टी के
सर,
साथ
ये मजाक
किसी नेता
किस
पर
तरह
ऐसी
का
टिप्पणी
मजाक
हो,
है,
मुझे
सर?
मंजूर है।
How can this?
You are giving it sexist and
हर चीज में जोक हो जाता है सर।
महिला के खिलाफ, ओ माय गॉड। अरे भाई जेंजी बनो थोड़ा, देश आगे बढ़ गया है, दुनिया आगे बढ़ गई है, महिलाएं आगे बढ़ गई हैं, मेल और फीमेल को लिए खाना भी खाते हैं, टॉफी भी खाते हैं, हक भी करते हैं, बातें भी
हक
करते हैं,
से
मजाक भी
प्रॉब्लम
करते
नहीं
हैं।
है। ये
आप
जो-
उसको जो एक इनोसेंट सी चीज, तभी कहता हूं कि
Innocent सी चीज है।
ये सरकार जेंजी को समझ
विवेक
ही नहीं
श्रीवास्तव,
पाई।
listen to the other person also, please.
जी
विवेक श्रीवास्तव खाना साथ खाते हैं, बात करते हैं, हक करते हैं। उस पर टिप्पणी करने वाले आप कौन होते हैं? राहुल गांधी कौन होते हैं? संदीप दीक्षित कौन होते हैं? आपको किसने यहाँ पर मोहल्ले का पंचायती राज का वो बना दिया, हेड बना दिया कि आप टिप्पणी करेंगे कौन क्या कर सकता है क्या नहीं?
उनका अधिकार है।
कौन बोलने वाले? संदीप दीक्षित है कौन बोलने वाले?
अरे बाप रे, अरे भाई राहुल
बोलने
गांधी
दीजिए
लीडर
ना,
ऑफ-
विवेक
ठीक,
श्रीवास्तव,
ठीक,
ऐसे-
ओके
Who is Sandeep Dixit to comment on the diplomatic relationship between two head of states? Who are you to justify it?
अरे
No,
भाई
Tushar, no, one
ये क्या मतलब हुआ?
Sandeep
Anybody
Dixit
can do
or
it.
anyone else can have a view. Anyone can comment on the relationship between two heads of state. That is not the problem. The problem is the kind of language.
There was nothing wrong
That
with
is,
language.
the language is the problem.
There is no
When Rahul Gandhi talks about they are ignorant about foreign policy, if this is Congress's brand of foreign policy, kahan se ghusa, kahan se nikal gaya, then then I have nothing else to say. RP Singh ji.
Parnesh, they have lost it. I mean, Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Sandeep Dixit was playing like a stand-up comedian, and then ये ऑडियंस की तरह उनके जो वहाँ पर ताड़ियाँ बजाने वालों में विवेक श्रीवास्तव is like that only. But let me just tell you what all we have gained from the relations with Italy. Defense and co-production, defense में co-production शुरू हो गया, EMAC यूरोपियन कनेक्टिविटी होगी, मैरीटाइम एंड इंडो पाक पैसिफिक सिक्योरिटी का मामला हुआ, क्रिटिकल मिनरल्स के ऊपर एग्रीमेंट हुए, एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी एंड AI पे एग्रीमेंट हुए, ट्रेड इन्वेस्टमेंट पे एग्रीमेंट हुए, काउंटर टेररिज्म और कॉपरेशन पे एग्रीमेंट हुए और EU पार्टनरशिप में एग्रीमेंट्स हुए. So we have gone further ahead. For them, it is just this much only. As I said, when it comes to foreign policy, they can't even think about it, but they can only do a stand-up comedian show, which Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Sandeep Dixit did, and Mr. people like Vivek Srivastava वहाँ बैठकर ताड़ी बजा सकते हैं बस. वाह 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 वाह.
But
Vivek
let me ask the larger question. 1 minute, Mr. Silas, you've heard Mr. Saravanan of the DMK. He is no friend of the BJP. He hates the RSS and BJP as much as you do. He has a problem with Congress's brand of politics. You've heard Dr. Joshi. Same goes with him. Aam Aadmi Party is not the B team of the BJP. The Congress, says that they are, but they are not. Samajwadi Party as the alliance partner. What is your view on, this brand of politics? Forget everything else. For the man who says Muhabbat ki Rajniti, a different brand of politics, Jan Nayak, etc., is this responsible commentary?
First, what Mr. R.P. Singh ji said right now about Italy, that the, foreign trade has taken place between India and Italy, But unfortunately, Mr. R.P. Singh, the export from India to Italy has dropped by $2.6 billion. You should know that also. And you remember You must be young at that time when Rajiv Gandhi ji was the Prime Minister of India and late Benazir Bhutto was the Prime Minister of Pakistan. What not the Bharatiya Janata Party used to say. Can you imagine that? I cannot speak it in front of the
Mr. Silas,
camera.
that's my question. That's precisely my question. Wait से नहीं होगा सर, मैं यही पूछ रहा हूं. अगर भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने ऐसा ही किया है, तो how is Rahul Gandhi different? How is his brand of politics different?
The third question you asked me, Pranesh, and it was a very serious question regarding the RSS that हम लोग आरएसएस को हेट करते हैं. हम लोग बिल्कुल करते हैं आरएसएस को हेट.
सर आप
क्यों करते हैं पहले मुझे बता लेने दीजिए.
मैं आपको ऑपोजिशन के बारे में पूछ रहा हूं, मुझे वो नहीं सुनना. मैं जानता हूं क्यों हेट करते हैं.
मैं बताता हूं क्यों.
बिकॉज आरएसएस पुट्स इंडिया फर्स्ट. आपको दिक्कत है उससे, इसीलिए हेट करते हैं.
एक मिनट मेरी बात सुन लीजिए.
जैसे मैं
10 सेकंड
15 अगस्त वाला स्पीच यानी
5 सेकंड.
अच्छा बोलिए.
जब टीजी मोहनदास कहेंगे कि वहां जो प्रोटेस्ट में लड़कियां गई थी उनको रेप कराने का शौक.
सर हु हैज एंडोर्स्ड? तो विवेक श्रीवास्तव की तरह किसी ने उसको नहीं विवेक श्रीवास्तव जैसे. नो 1 मिनट सर, इट्स अ ट्रैश कमेंट. नो वन ऑन द पैनल विल डिफेंड इट इंक्लूडिंग आरपी सिंह. आपको टेस्ट करना है, आप वो टेस्ट कर लीजिए. बट इफ विवेक श्रीवास्तव थिंक्स दैट दिस कमेंट ऑन मेलनी इज अ जोक. 1 मिनट सर, 1 मिनट सर, 1 मिनट मिस्टर साइलस. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, विवेक द नेम सेक, योर नेम सेक इज सेइंग दिस इज अ जोक. वो बोलेंगे वो जो कमेंट जो आपने बोला, इज दैट ऑल्सो अ जोक? तुषार,
तो मैं क्या करूं? तुषार गुप्ता को गंदगी दिख रही है.
If this is all about a hug,
yeah, Tushar, yes.
Rahul Gandhi once hugged the Prime Minister in the Parliament. I think we recall that video. Right?
I have the shot. No, I have those visuals. Yeah. What was wrong? Yeah, Tushar, the shots are playing. Yes.
My simple question is, if Modi thinks of someone while hugging someone who's a professional co-worker like Modi and Rahul are, who was Rahul Gandhi thinking about here? बताइए.
बोलिए विवेक श्रीवास्तव.
अब मुझे नहीं मालूम सर. 2 मेल्स अगर हक कर रहे हैं और आप उसके अंदर कुछ देख रहे हैं तो सर ये आपकी एक
ये तो राहुल संदीप दीक्षित ने अभी देख लिया ना. 2 मेल्स में वो मेलनी देख रहे हैं. अब आपको इन 2 मेल्स में नहीं दिख रहा है कुछ?
नहीं उसमें कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. उसमें लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन ने प्रधानमंत्री को हक किया.
अरे तो संदीप दीक्षित ने राहुल गांधी को हक किया, तो उसमें मेलनी कहां से आ गई? उसमें मेलनी कहां से आ गई? व्हाट हैज मेलनी गॉट टू डू विद दिस?
दोनों गले मिले प्रधानमंत्री.
या सो देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम इन राहुल गांधी हगिंग संदीप दीक्षित. व्हाट हैज मेलनी गॉट टू डू?
हम भी कह रहे हैं मेलनी को हक किया, मेलनी को मेलोडी, तो कोई बात नहीं.
मेलनी कहां से आ गई? देखिए विवेक श्रीवास्तव, यू स्टैंड एक्सपोज.
नो
विल हैव टू मूव ऑन. विल हैव टू मूव ऑन. आपको आपके पास जवाब नहीं. डॉक्टर जोशी, लास्ट वर्ड्स. यस.
You know, that is what the national discourse has been reduced to. Distraction in one way or the another. You know, let me give you a simple solution. Mr. JP Nadda should sit with the leadership of students, with the CJP leadership, and start drafting a proposal for the educational reform, so that, you know, all this matter is diffused once and for all. But we won't go that way.
You're right. You sent the Punjab minister also to attend that meeting, so that education is taken seriously across all states. Let's have the Telangana education minister, who happens to be the chief minister there.
From Jharkhand.
Yeah. And let's have the Jharkhand minister also. Yeah. We'll move on. Let's